You're struggling to learn double unders because you haven't built the skills that make up a double under. Instead of showing you how to do a double under, I'm going to show you 4 drills that will help you do 90% of a double under before you even attempt one. This will make the transition to double super easy, guaranteed. But first we need to talk about rope choice and specifically what one to avoid because it actually makes learning way harder. Cable speed ropes are built for advanced speed jump rope competitors, not you. They are way too fast and way too light, causing way more trips. And they really freaking hurt when they whip you. You can work up to these ropes, but they aren't necessarily, and I definitely don't recommend starting with one. All you actually need is a 5mm PVC jump rope with a nylon core. The nylon core is key because it eliminates rope stretch, making it faster, more responsive, and will provide amazing feel and feedback so you can crush dubs or anything else. I have this rope linked down below in the description so you can check it out. Now, let's get into the drills. There are 2 things that make up a double under: rope speed and jump height. However, rope speed is far more important because it's what will determine your jump height. So we need to develop more gears with your speed, which will lead to better rope control. Using basic single unders in a 2-foot jump, practice gradually speeding up and slowing down your rope speed. This is going to teach you how to intuitively adjust your jumping to match that of your rope speed, ultimately giving you more gears and better rope control. This sounds basic, but this is key, so don't skip this. And once you have it down with the basic jump, then do the same thing using the alternate leg skill. Chances are you haven't worked on building max rope speed, and that's exactly what you need. We can do this 2 ways. First, in the basic 2-foot jump, I want you to practice going as fast as you can, but in control. If you're just tripping constantly, it won't help you. Keep pushing the limit as you get used to moving the rope faster and faster. Over the course of a few sessions working on this, you should see a good improvement in your max rope speed. Try to work up to this tempo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Next, do the same thing with the alternate leg skill. This allows for even faster speeds and builds coordination through the footwork. Here's a tempo to shoot for.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Double unders are a mix of high speed and explosiveness off the ground, making it a high energy output exercise. It doesn't do any good to learn doubles, but only be able to knock out a few before failing due to fatigue. For this drill, I want you to practice maintaining 85 to 90% of your max speed for at least 30 seconds. This will do 2 very important things. It will increase your max speed stamina, so when you do learn doubles, you'll be able to rock out a bunch. And more importantly, it will help you find fail points. As you fatigue during this drill, you are going to identify what part of your form and technique is breaking down, leading to trips. It will typically be your wrists getting out of sync with each other, or one or both arms drifting up or out, dragging the rope into your feet, causing the trips. Once you identify your weaknesses, focus on preventing them as you get tired so you can continue jumping longer and longer. This is hard at first, but the more you practice it, the easier it becomes to keep your weak spots from breaking down and causing you to trip. Move on to the next drill only when you can maintain your max speed for 30 seconds or more. You have now developed rope control through learning more speeds and transitioning between them, gained the rope speed needed to do a double under, and you've built the stamina necessary to do at least 30 seconds of double unders. In other words, you can now do 90% of a double under before even attempting one. So let's break down the transition process. Start with single unders and build to your max speed. If you match the tempo discussed earlier, then you will be at or very close to your double under rope speed. From here, you simply need to jump higher, about 6 inches off the ground, and keep rotating the rope exactly the same. Remember to push through the balls of your feet and having your toes be the last thing to leave the ground. We don't want tuck jumping or pike jumping. Stay relaxed and focus on maintaining that same jump rope speed. One quick tip here is people tend to jump too early. You want your toes to leave the ground just as the rope approaches your feet. This will give you max air time to get the rotations in. Likewise, you want to be landing just after the rope passes under your feet. Because your rope speed is either the same or very close to the same as your single under speed, you should be able to transition back and forth from singles to doubles with the rope speed staying the same. If your basic 2-foot jump single unders just don't seem fast enough, you can start with the alternate leg singles to get a faster rope speed. The transition into doubles takes a little bit more practice timing your 2-foot plant and jump to initiate the double unders, but once you feel it, it will become much easier. Most people think they're doing things right when really their form, technique, and/or rope sizing is off, which crushes their ability to get better at jump rope. I show you exactly what you need to know to avoid this and grow your skills fast in this video right here.